Thank you so much for coming to Free Life today. We hope that you're blessed and encouraged as you worship. The 21-day Daniel fast continues through January 24th, and we want everyone to join us as one church and unite together in fasting and prayer this month. You can find out more information about the fast at the Welcome Center today. Dunamis Student Ministries is selling Pancake Day tickets. For January 31st here at Free Life, we are going to have a Pancake Day, and these tickets are only $5. See a student today to buy a ticket, and all the funds will go toward our new youth facility on 431. The One in Word life groups will be meeting on January 22nd from 7 to 9 p.m. These life groups are created so that you can recap everything that you've read for the past 30 days in your Word. Now we have 4 locations, and then we have one in Abbeville, Sardis, Boaz, and Altoona. And you can find out more about this at your announcement sheet today. Go to your announcement sheet, and it has all the locations with the addresses. It's going to be a great year of life groups. Let's do life together. Now you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram for daily news and encouragement. You can also check out our website at flwc.org. And there on our website, you can find out more about events and register events like One Sacred Night. You can also go by our Welcome Center and check out water baptism brochures, membership applications, and baby dedication. Now, Free Life, thank you for coming today. Let's worship.